In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to set a new territory label with a caption. To do that, let's zoom into an area so we can look at what we currently have displayed on the screen. And you can see right away that we have our 3-digit territory ID. So in order to change that ID into something else, we can click here on Configure Layers in the very top, and then we select Territories here from the left, and you can see that yes, Territory ID is our first label. So let's change that to territory name by clicking on label type and click territory name and click OK. And just like that, it changes from the ID to display the territory name. So now let's set another label, like a data label. To do that, you click here on Configure Layers, and then we click here on the green plus button to add a second label. And right away, it will default to showing territory data and then your first data set that you've imported, which is exactly what I'd like to display. In order to set a caption that appears before this data set, you simply type in that caption here underneath the caption section in this row right here. So let's type in sales and click on OK. And as I do that, you'll see that that prefix of sales appears as a caption before our sales figure. And there you go. You've just learned how to set a caption for your sales territory labels.